Do you often come up with fantastic new email design ideas, but find yourself unsure of how to bring it to life? Klaviyo's Email AI tool allows you to describe the content you want and creates complete section layouts that include images, text blocks, buttons, and compelling copy that is ready to be edited and finalized by you. A couple important things to note before we continue. First, this tool is available for only paid Klaviyo accounts. Additionally, although this assistant creates email sections for you, you are still responsible for the final content. Now, let's take a look at how Swak Cosmetics uses AI to design their emails. When using Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, Swak starts by adding a new section or selecting an existing section. From there, they click on the AI tool next to the selected section they wish to edit. In the Describe the Section text input, Swak can add a description of what they want the tool to build and specify what types of drag and drop blocks they'd like included or what copy to add. For example, Swak can type, "Create a sale reminder for a spring sale beginning March 1st. Include alternating columns of image, text, and buttons." After they generate drafts, 3 options will appear. Swak can then use the arrows to toggle between these options. Additionally, they can generate more drafts of their existing prompt or update their description and generate additional options. Once Swak finds the ideal content for their section, they can insert their draft and edit their section as needed. Say, add an image or links to buttons. And just like that, Swak used Klaviyo's AI to simplify the way they create email content. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let us know by liking and subscribing so that you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Plus, be sure to check out the description to take your next step as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.